and welcome to Dylan Hilton's Futurama Complete Series Unboxing! So anyway, hey guys, Dylan Hilton, and today I got the Futurama Complete Series box set. And this is pretty amazing because I was going to do it 2 days earlier on my birthday, but instead I just decided to do it today. So here we go. We're going to unbox this baby. So here's all the stuff it comes with. So we got season 1 with Fry on it. And we have, volume 1 with Fry on it. And I'm going to introduce you to some new characters that may show their faces on the box. So here is volume 2 with Morbo's face on it. And by the way, if you haven't watched Futurama before, you'll get introduced to some more of these characters when you start watching it. And volume 3 with Professor Farnsworth on it. And by the way, season 3 has that episode that I was talking about in the Forward in Time Part 2 Lego SpongeBob video. So, in case you want to know what that one's called, it's called Roswell That Ends Well, when the Futurama gang goes back to 1947. Anyway, volume 4 with Amy on it with her space helmet, calling on her cell phone. And by the way, that has another one of my favorite episodes on it called Teenage Mutant Leela's Hurdles, which is when they get exposed to a toxic chemical that makes them younger. And volume 5 with Bender smoking a cigar, which also has another one of my favorite episodes on it called The Late Philip J. Fry, which they time travel in a machine that can only go forward in time. And volume 6. By the way, instead of this having The Late Philip J. Fry, which I mentioned earlier in a different episode, this does, probably because of the movies that were supposed to make up 5, which we will get to later. And volume 6 with Leela on it. She's a Cyclops. And volume 7 with Dr. Zoidberg on it. And here is a character that everyone loves, the Hypnotoad. And now we're going to get into the movies. So here we have Bender's big score with a little 3D picture right here. It accidentally slid out, and I'll pick that up later. Anyway, we're getting to Bender's game. And next we have the Beast with a Billion Backs. And next, last but not least, we have Into the Wild Green Yonder. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video of the complete series of Futurama box set. So thank you for watching and subscribe!